Hey there, Sarah. Any chance your mother's home?
Sarah, go watch TV.
Well, I checked the unit. Unfortunately, it looks like we're going to have to replace the whole system.
Are you sure? It was working just fine a couple of days
Just a quick signature will do the trick. Would hate for the little one to get cold. No, not Reliant, man!
The Hero Club?
No, not the Hero Club!
I don't have to buy a brand new system? And it can reduce my chances of a major repair by 60%? A company that's been trusted for over 30 years? That sounds great.
Mark my words, Reliant, man. My boss, Mr. Gimmick, will get his revenge.